One classic men's haircut styled in 3 different ways. Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. Now in this one I'm showing you my classic men's haircut and really how versatile it is to style. Working with Bumble & Bumble, you'll see 3 looks, from big and structured to a wet look and a very casual and undone style. Now I took a trip to Manifesto and Leather Lane in London to have a cut and style with Reno, senior stylist and head of education at the barbers. After washing my hair, Reno creates a horseshoe section, separating the top of the hair from the sides. He makes the shape just slightly triangular at the back to balance out the shape of my head. Onto the sides, he cuts them square, all one length, pulling the hair out at a right angle to the head. With the added length on the sides, this really will help to keep the hair flat in styling. Onto the top, Reno over-directs the hair to the temples. Now over-directing means that he doesn't cut the hair parallel or straight up from the head. Doing it like this helps to create length and density towards the front of the head, which you'll see in all the styling stages. Really, this cut is all about working with a head shape to ensure balance and versatility in styling. On to style 1, this one is all about texture and body. Now Reno first washes my hair with Bumble & Bumble's Surf Shampoo and Conditioner. These products really help to give the hair body and a soft, sea breezy texture. Into styling, he combines both the Tonic Primer and Surf Spray into my damp hair. With a blend of herbs, vitamins and tea tree oil, the Tonic Primer helps to moisturize and smooth the hair, whilst the Surf Spray gives the hair that great beachy volume and texture. Now for me, a salt spray like this is really the perfect and very easy way to add a lived-in look to freshly washed hair. Using a hairdryer, Reno works at the hair to add movement and definition to the style. Now although we want to keep it looking relaxed and undone, he finishes with the Bumble & Bumble Dryspun texture spray to really boost that volume and add loads of texture. Style 2 is something a bit different, but I can really see this one working for something like an evening event. It's sleek, it's structured, and has a really great wet look finish. This time, Reno starts with a Bumble & Bumble Prep Primer. Now instead of using water, this product locks in the moisture to the hair, helping it to stay hydrated. From there, he used a product called Texture. This gel cream gives great grit and lift for texture with a matte finish. Now the product can be layered into the hair and dried with a hairdryer or left to dry naturally. Now although it's a bold style, I definitely can see myself giving this one a go, especially when I want to make a statement with my styling. And finally, style 3, really more like my day-to-day style, and it's something that I feel so comfortable wearing. Reno started by washing my hair with a thickening volume shampoo and conditioner. Like the name suggests, they really do help to build in the volume into the hair and prep it for styling. He starts by spraying the Go Big Treatment into my hair. Now this concentrate swells each strand of hair and also has a heat protectant formula built in. He then layers in the Bumble & Bumble Thickening Spray to really give the style lift, volume and body. Using a hairdryer with a diffuser, he lifts and dries the hair up and away from my side part, really adding big volume. To add structure and definition to the style, Reno uses Sumotech. Now this is a styling product that's part wax, part paste and part cream. It's a really versatile product with a matte finish to perfectly complete the look. And there you go, 1 cut and 3 hairstyles. And as ever, all products are linked below in the description along with an exclusive discount code for you guys. Let me know which of the 3 styles is your favorite, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe right now to see all my videos as soon as they go live. And be sure to check out the other video on screen and up in the info card top right. But until my next new video, bye bye.